If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain black Converse into these lovely rhinestone embellished Converse, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today I'm going to be adding some rhinestone embellishments to these Converse All-Star Chuck Taylors. And these are a women's size 7. These are for someone who's turning 40 and it's their 40th birthday and they're having a big birthday bash. They wanted to have some bling added to their shoes. So I'm going to be adding some clear 4 and 5 millimeter rhinestones to these shoes. I'm going to hop right in. I will be using a wax pickup tool to pick up the rhinestones, and I will be using some E6000 glue. I'll wipe the toe area off using just some Dollar Tree alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, I have wiped off the areas where I'm going to add the rhinestones. I've dried it as well. Now I'm going to take this E6000 glue and take small amounts at a time and begin to apply the rhinestones with this wax pickup tool. Here on this toe area, I am using a 4 millimeter resin clear rhinestone. If you're new at doing this, add small amounts of glue because you don't want it to harden up and turn into rubber on you, because it will. The toe area doesn't take that long to do. I'm already finished. Now I'm working on the side of the shoe. Again, just use smaller amounts of glue so you don't have to worry about it drying out. On this side area of the shoe, I am using a 5 millimeter resin rhinestone. For this particular design, I'm just using the rhinestones, but in the past I've added pearls, or you can use all pearls or a combination of pearls and rhinestones. I'm just working my way up the very top of the shoe, taking my time. And if you would like to know how long this took, if I had to guess, I definitely say this took me at least 2 hours. Because I'm just adding the rhinestones to one side of the shoe, yeah, about 2 hours in the toe area. Then what I did to the other side was minimal. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other shoe off camera because it's like basically the same thing and I don't want to drag this out. But I forgot to mention that on this side of the shoe, maybe I did mention, on this side of the shoe it's going to say Virgo and 40. So I have cut out with some silvery glitter vinyl the word Virgo and 40. I'm gonna and this is just me finishing up the second shoe that I did majority of off camera. Use the same method, same size rhinestones, and I'm almost finished, so I can go ahead and add on the Virgo and 40 to the other side. Top like that, or at the bottom, Virgo right there, or the 40 at the top, or the 40 at the bottom. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out and kind of lean this under my heat press. If you don't have a heat press and you need to do something like this, you would just use the tip of your iron, and just, it may take a little bit longer, and be careful, and you don't want to burn this part either. Use the tip of your iron that you use to iron your clothes. Okay, so I managed to get the number 40 on here, but the angle was too odd and it was very, very hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use my iron to get Virgo. I'm gonna put Virgo right here across the bottom. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the tip of my iron. So I want this to be like right here. It's just a regular iron. And I'm just kind of gonna go just like this. I'm gonna do it section by section. And it's okay if it's not perfect, because what you're doing is you're just going to use this as a stencil anyway. You can leave it on there like this because it is glitter vinyl, but I don't. I kind of go over it, so. And just don't burn yourself or the shoe. And they do have really small heat transfer, like little handheld ones that you can buy. I think Cricut makes one. And there you go. It's on there. Okay, so now I'm adding glue on top of the vinyl on the shoe, and I'm just going to go over it with a 4mm rhinestone. A 3mm rhinestone would have been cool as well, but the 4mm did the job. So I'm just kind of using the vinyl as a stencil. Again, because it is glittery and pretty vinyl, you could just leave it as is, but I just wanted to have that extra glam effect since this is for a birthday. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished product of the shoes. And right now I'm just showing you one shoe so you can see the inner area where I added the 40 and the Virgo. I think it turned out super cute. And I really like the black and the silver. It's just something about black and silver that's just so cute. I also like silver, I also like gold and black also. That'd have been cute as well. But I just really like how the toe area and then the side and then the other side having the Virgo and the 40. Shout out to all you Virgos. So her theme was denim, but she wore like a cute black dress that had like bling all over it with some really cute heels. Then once her feet grew tired of the heels and maybe a little sore, she changed into these lovely glamorous Converse. So here is the shot with both of the shoes in it. I just really like these, especially since fall time is coming up. I have purchased myself some Converse, but they're low top. But because it's fall and it's getting a little chillier out, I think I might have to get me a pair of high tops. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, or if you received some really cool ideas or some inspiration. I do have some links in the description for rhinestones, wax pickup tools, even if you're interested in buying your rhinestones in bulk for resale, or even if you just bling out that much and it's easier for you to just have them in bulk yourself. I have that available also. Again, I did use 4 and 5mm rhinestones on this shoe. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Subscribe if you'd like to. Be sure to hit that notification bell. And if you don't want to subscribe, thank you so much anyway for stopping by. Bye-bye. Also, be sure to check out my playlist. I have a whole playlist full of Converse, Vans, and other type of shoes that I've added rhinestone embellishments to, adult shoes and children's shoes. So if you like this video, you may want to check out that playlist as well. Okay, bye-bye.